Welcome back or welcome. We're on the way to get wheels for my car.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
I got him. Only 125 for both.
With tires that are usable.
Little ding, but nothing Jordy the fixer can't fix.
Heat it up, bend it back.
First things first, obviously, gonna take them out, clean them up, make them look nice, test fit them. I love them. I think I might put these on my fronts.
4 to 6 days later.
Happens, but here now. Gonna take the tires off, clean up the wheels, see what they look like. So this is the one with the bend in it.
The hell there, right? Shit.
Now it's time to wash them and my hands. You're making a mess.
Kai, how's it going?
It's going.
Really hitting the nooks and crannies in that one, huh?
Listen, Jordy got his moment to shine with his wheels. I'm having mine.
What's the vibe for this? You keeping these as nice fronts and then just whatever in the rear, like drift spec?
Pretty much, because fronts last longer, so good to have cool fronts longer.
Wow.
Big brand.
All right, I'm taking your car for a spin.
What do you mean? I wanna go for a spin.
Well, I'm just going in the parking lot.
A few moments later.
Aw, look what you started, Jordy. Jordy's gonna get a better angle.
Oh, you broke it, Jim.
This thing's really fun.
You look crazy in this thing. Yeah, you gotta beat the living shit out of it.
Dude, not bad.
It's not bad for what it is. Yeah, it's still tough to drive.
I think good suspension.
Yeah, it feels like a boat.
And then really fun.
Yeah, really agreed.
These definitely clean up nice. Well, these dry. Gonna pull in my car, take off those tires, swap them with those. Let's jack this bitch up.
Well,
What the hell is even that?
that's not gonna work too well. Okay, might be a little aggressive. While Kai is in the bathroom, I'm gonna switch these tires to these wheels.
Yeah, do my bitch work.
That's great.
Spacer is off.
Wow,
Nice.
might actually be cool for once.
Shut up.
All right, Kai, number 2.
Number 2. I'm sorry, guys. I know I said we were done with wheels for a little bit, but then I saw that Facebook Marketplace deal, and
Everyone likes a
lowball.
good deal. Come on. Yeah, you and lowballs. That should be the next shirt, lowball queen. Speaking of cool t-shirts, I made a cool t-shirt.
Boom!
At least I think it's pretty cool.
I think it's cool. Show the back, show the back.
All right.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's heavily flame inspired. If you buy it, you might light on fire because it's so hot.
Look at that skull.
But it's cool. If you like one, they're on Kai's website. If you don't like one, whatever 2 weeks from today is. So whatever that date is, that will be when the pre-order ends.
Now enjoy these clips of us printing the shirt at Micro. Other wheels on. Fill them up.
Math might have came off. Anybody that's got a math clip, we need a new one. We gotta get a new connector for that.
I felt it cut out. I'm like, no.
Yeah, I need a new connector for sure. Maybe we could zip tie it.
Yeah.
Let's just zip tie it. Yeah. Hold up, we'll fix it quick. Good job though. Yeah, just park right here. Drift button live.
Got our zip ties and our handy dandy joy
So this is our problem.
Yeah.
Everything keeps moving and it's popping our connector off for our mat. So that, a couple of zip ties around the connector. We're golden.
Easy peasy fix.
Yeah, easy peasy, beautiful. Cover Jordan.
All fixed. Now time to clean up.
Who else thinks that we need the matching rears? Because these look really, really good.
Yeah.
The next morning.
This again.
What's that supposed to mean?
I thought I got you off my back.
That'll never happen. Deleted everything. Nice ABS pump. Gone, don't need it. But now we're left with brackets. We don't need those either. So Kai's gonna get rid of the brackets for me because I don't want to do it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, but you... Okay. Now, if you want the full in-depth story of what's actually going on, make sure you check out Jimmy's channel. OSHA hates to see me coming.
We missed the first drill for Kai.
It's alright. Jordy was just showing me how it's done. You guys didn't miss much. You will still get to see me drill.
Final thoughts?
You didn't tell me brackets were gonna be flying at my face.
You got a pre-plan. One bracket gone, one left, and we have this one on this side too. We just cut that one.
I'm gonna twist it off because I don't want to risk.
That's good. Kai, what are we doing now?
I am relaxing.
Yeah, supervisor.
You're grinding away.
Yeah.
Sparks fly. I get a sign, you get a sign?
Yeah, get the scuffing.
That's crazy. Time for paint. Okay, I lied. We gotta tape up everything first. Whoa, Brian coming out of the woodworks. Love the screwdriver next one.
This is our test.
Oh, now it just looks wrong. Okay, that's not what I wanted to say. Yay! Ready for paint now. For sure. So instead of doing trim black like Jordy wanted to do so badly.
Alright. Don't after my man.
We got Brian making single stage for us.
What does that mean, Kai?
I'm just putting the clear coat activator.
Basically means you don't need 2 coats of base and a coat of clear. It's just single stage. It's
Instead of having multiple stages of painting something, the base and the clear
it's
are
like
in one.
a
So there's
3-in-1 wash. It's like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
And toothpaste.
Yeah, sure.
Yep. So you just spray it. The base and the clear is one.
You brush your teeth in the shower?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
What do you mean? I love it. You just make a mess of yourself, and you like get it all on your beard and stuff, and then you could like.
That's crazy.
What do you mean? Do you brush your teeth in the shower?
I used to, but I got an electric one, so.
Why is that weird?
Like, I guess
I
I think the electric one I could do it, but like.
I brush my teeth
don't.
better in the shower because then I act up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No,
All right, do you guys brush your teeth in the shower? Yes or no? Clean as a whistle.
I don't think it was ever used. Tiny little cup and a big ass filter. Listen,
Brian making a
first of
mess
all,
over here.
You should have been the one to f***ing do it anyway, though.
She got a little gun. Little guy with a little gun.
Don't run my.
That's a lot different than how Brian would do it. I've watched Brian paint so many damn engine bays, I swear. Look at the confidence. Look at her. Just gotta talk a little smack, she gets after it. Smack.
It pisses her off.
Hell yeah, that's what we gotta do.
That's when she thrives.
Look at her, she's getting after it. There you go. Now take some breath, that'll get you loose.
Yeah, you're fucking higher.
I'll get the amount of shit you just put in your lungs before this is nothing.
See how raw?
Brian accidentally paints the whole engine bay, trying to show how to. Engine bays are a different animal.
Oh, nooks and crannies.
There's so many.
Yeah.
That's it. And if you run it, video. You know what I mean? There you go. No pressure. You just got 6 people watching you.
Staring you down.
This is the worst case. I would hate to be Kai right now. I'll give you props. That's good.
How much paint you got left?
I guess it does look better than trim black.
It does look good. It looks really good, actually.
Thoughts?
Slay queen type.
Jordy, you see that technique? The over the shoulder, that's a cheat code.
That's how they do it.
That's a cheat code right there.
The hose through the ass crack. Ripping that thing.
I'll help you.
Make sure you clean the tip, Kai.
Listen, Jordy. The best part of a paint job, waiting for it to dry. So we'll be back tomorrow morning. Finishing on touches.
Finishing on touches.
Well, I don't know. Finishing unwrapping.
Finishing on touches. I like that one.
Whatever.
Nice job, guys.
Looks good.
Came out good.
Yeah, at least it matches the rest of the car now.
I was thinking the whole car
Yeah.
got resprayed by Kai. Nice job.
That's nice. Matches.
You got some overspray you don't have to buff off?
Yeah, Jordy,
That's
you're
bad.
buffing that off.
Poor.
That sucks.
My job here is done. Back to Jimmy you go. And onto Jimmy's kit I go. I gotta prep this thing. Yeah, I almost tripped on the hose.
The front's cool. It's different. Nobody runs this kit.
Hell yeah. Full refresh on the purple coupe.
I still gotta clearance that sec.
So whenever Spoon's done, I'm gonna hop on this. But I'm gonna go to the gym for now.
Yeah.
See you
go
later.
do that, slacker.
Let's get started. Okay, let's go. Boom. Right where she belongs. This thing next to my car makes it look so
It is the coolest NV, in my opinion.
It is very cool. I like it a lot. Buckled up, let's go. What a great night. Great day in general. Thank you, Carter, for having us. Jelly Bean does look like shit, and I am doing a complete refresh coming soon. In the meantime, pre-order Jordy shirts.
Buy my stuff so I can buy groceries.
I'm very happy with how the bait came out. Definitely still have lots to learn in my painting career, but that's why I have you guys to bring along with me. Catch me at GRIDLIFE this weekend. Lime Rock Park. Be there, be square.